So welcome back, and this is our topic of discussion today, linear motion. And so by the end of this topic, you the learner should be able to define distance, displacement, speed, velocity, and acceleration. You should be able to describe experiments to determine velocity and acceleration, determine acceleration due to gravity, plot and explain motion time graphs, apply the equations of uniformly accelerated motion, and solve numerical problems on uniformly accelerated motion. So these will be our objectives of this class. So make sure you subscribe so you're notified when we upload the complete linear motion class here on this platform. So check out the description for our social media platforms to learn our other smart revision applications and services that we actually work on to give you the best revision experience. So see you in our next class.